The fact, Sandra Locke, a well-known actress and director, entered into an exclusive first-look deal with Warner Brothers after her breakup with Clint Eastwood, who had significant influence at the studio. Under this deal, Warner Brothers agreed to consider and potentially produce any film projects Locke brought to them. However, despite paying Locke for the contract, Warner Brothers never produced or even seriously reviewed any of her projects. Locke sued, claiming the deal was a sham, and that the studio never intended to fulfill its obligations, using the contract as a way to sideline her career. The issue: did Warner Brothers breach its contract with Sandra Locke by refusing to produce or develop any of her projects, despite paying her under an exclusive first-look deal? The rule from the court: in contract law, parties must act in good faith and fulfill their obligations as agreed. A breach of contract occurs when one party fails to perform their duties under the agreement. Additionally, in California, even if a party is paid, the contract's purpose must be carried out in good faith. Fact application: Sandra Locke, an actress and director, entered into an exclusive first-look deal with Warner Brothers, which promised to develop her film projects. However, despite paying Locke, Warner Brothers allegedly refused to produce or even consider any of her projects. Locke argued that the studio never intended to work with her, and only made the deal to settle a personal matter involving Clint Eastwood, her former partner. The conclusion: the court found that Locke had a valid claim against Warner Brothers. The mere payment under the contract wasn't enough if Warner Brothers never intended to perform its obligations in good faith. The case settled out of court, highlighting the importance of good faith and intent in contractual agreements.